Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I would like to welcome you if you're new to the channel. We are going to be talking about some Lucid Motors stock today and Lucid Motors as a company. I have some great exciting news out there for you, but before we get down into this, if you can please give me that thumbs up, the like button. Also, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, join the community, hit that notification bell so you can get all the videos I make out there. But I did want to tell you some very good news about Lucid Motors as the word of mouth is starting to spread and Lucid Motors is starting to get a good branding and a good name for itself. As I mentioned, we just had last week on September 27th, that week, we did have Lucid Motors open its factories to the public, to the media, to the politicians, and also the retail investors out there. And we have seen very good news. We have seen that the first production of the Lucid Air have rolled off the assembly lines, and these cars are going to be delivered very shortly. But what I did want to mention is that now the media is spreading the good news on this vehicle, and moving forward, I think the stock will do great. But before we get down into this, I did want to give you just a special announcement because I can get you a free Lucid share stock. If you do right now, I have partnered with MooMoo, the trading brokerage. If you do use my link down below and click on the link, open an account with MooMoo, you will get a free share of a stock range from $3 to $350. If you deposit $100 into that, you will get a free share of Lucid stock right now. So you will get 2 free stocks just by opening an account with MooMoo if you use my link down below. But again, I did want to transition in and talk to you about this company and that its stock can do very, very well. I have mentioned that the media is starting to talk really good about Lucid Motors, and we can see this by some articles out there. This is from Road and Track. The title of this article is "The Lucid Air is so good, it should make the Tesla sweat." It has the best driving range, the fastest charging system of any EV on the market. The Lucid Air is poised to take away the Tesla Model S crown. Now, I have been a very big proponent of Tesla, and I love the company Tesla. I think that it will remain king out there, but we do definitely need to talk about what the good news is. We do have a new competitor out there, and I do welcome that because Lucid as a company is going to do great in the EV market. It does have a very nice niche for itself. Right now, it is focusing only on the electric luxury market. There's no other electric market out there that is in the luxury space as Lucid, so I think it has a really great chance to do well, especially when you look at its performance, its battery life, and the luxury that it has. It can outperform Mercedes, Porsche, Audi, any brand out there right now on these marks. And I think this company will do great in the future. So according to this article, we have learned a lot of things because we are starting to get the media to get that new word out that this company will be great and it will do really good things. So as we know right now, Tesla has had in the past the longest range out of any electric vehicle on one single charge of battery life. It used to be 405 miles, which was the Tesla Model S long-range brand. But now Lucid Motor has come out and has taken that crown away from Tesla because it does have on one single charge 520 miles on one charge that it can drive. It has the longest range out there of any electric vehicle in the world. And it is really great to see that we do have a new competitor in the EV market. In addition to having the best range out there, it also has the fastest charging system out of any electric vehicle in the world out there. It can charge 300 miles in just 20 minutes, which is super fast using its super fast electric direct charge charging systems. Now, if you are looking into buying a Lucid, right now this year, it's gonna be only 520 of the Lucid Air Dream Editions. They are quite expensive. It's gonna be $169,000, which only a small amount of people can afford. But moving forward in the next year, in the year 2022, Lucid does plan on decreasing the price to $69,000 to be very competitive and to be very competitive with the Tesla Model S, the long-range version. Now, they will still beat Tesla in its performance and its 0 to 60 and its range as well, but this will be very nice to have a new welcome competitor to be up against Tesla, and it will have that nice luxury premium brand out there that I think in the future will be known quite around the world. I think this company will also do very good because it does make everything in-house. It makes everything patented, and it makes everything from its electric motor, battery pack, and its Wonderbox, the very important charging system. It makes everything in-house in Lucid Motor Company. Now the Wonderbox, since I am on that, it is a very first in the EV industry. It is bidirectional, which means that you can actually use the vehicle to charge other electric vehicles, or if you have a smart home and you lose power to your home, you can use your Lucid Air to power your house using the direct charging and the reversible charging system. It's quite amazing technology, and I think it's going to catch on, and it's going to be very popular in the future as well. I have mentioned that this company is very good. Let me just show you some more articles that are starting to come out that are starting to see that the Lucid Air is a very good vehicle. This is from Car and Driver. The title of this is the 2022 Lucid Air Dream. It's brilliance out of nowhere. A clean sheet design of critical components built in-house results in impressive debut effort. So as I showed you, we are starting to have that media that is giving that good buzz out there, and this is going to be great news for Lucid Motors. I think its stock is going to do quite well as well. Let me just show you what it has been doing. So in the past one day on Friday, it was down by 4.7%. It did start trading at $24.31, and it did hit a low of $23.10. In my opinion, I am seeing big sales and big buying opportunities in this stock because I do believe that these prices won't stay long. But if we look in the past 5 days, we are still down 6.3% in the past 5 days with a high of about $25, just shy of $25, but we have seen quite a sell-off. This is because we've had a very positive, huge increase in this stock in September. In September, at one point, from September 1st all the way to September 21st, we had a 50% increase in its stock in just a matter of 3 weeks. So we are starting to see people taking profits. We did hit a high in the past 1 month of $26.81 on that September 1st, but we did also retest on September 29th, $26.28. So right now our resistance is looking like it's a ceiling of $26. We do need to penetrate that, and I do think that we will have a good chance of doing that in the next few days, in the next few weeks, or week to come, because I do think that two very big things will happen in the next few weeks that will propel the stock to be even better. The first one is October 12th, you will have its Dream Drive event, which is the Lucid Air's autonomous driving system. Lucid Motors does have 32 cameras on board, including LiDAR, which is very functional, and a lot of critics and a lot of engineers have said that this is going to be one of the best autonomous systems in the world. Right now, Tesla has that crown of having the best autonomous system in the world, but we'll see if Lucid Motors takes over their crown as well on that, as it just took away their longest range of their battery life. So we'll definitely keep you updated, but I do think that this will be a big positive news for this stock moving forward. Also, don't forget, Lucid Motors itself has said by the end of this month in October, so that will be in the next few weeks, we will have those deliveries of the vehicles coming, and I think this will be a very big propulsion of the stock moving forward and bringing it back up. But going back to the stock, I do think that we will have a very nice chance to go up in this stock. Let me just show you something that I found very interesting in the past 6 months. In the past 6 months, we had a low of $17.25 back on May 13th. In just a matter of 4 weeks, from May 13th all the way to June 8th, we had an increase in this stock of 54%. That was incredible increase in its stock. Well, this mirrors what we just recently have seen since September 1st. Remember on September 1st, we had that PIPE expiration date that the PIPE investors did sell off. They bought their stock at $15. They actually sold it at $20. They made $5 a profit per share. But we had a lot of investors that just piled in. On September 1st in pre-market hours, this stock actually went below 16 or around that $16 mark. But since September 1st, look at what this stock has done. It has gone up about 51% just in a matter of 3 weeks. So this is very, very similar to what we are seeing what happened here. Now look also what happened here. When we hit that $26 mark, what did we have? We had a lot of people taking profits. This stock actually went down by 15% just in a matter of 1 week. So we are starting to see that here as well. Look at what happens on September 21st. In about 3-4 weeks here, we had a decrease in about 13% in this stock, which is very similar to what we are seeing here. So I do believe that we are going to repeat this. I do think that we are in this area right now, and I do think that next we will see a projection of a very nice increase and a pop up in its stock. Look back in June 21st, we had an increase of 25% just in about 7-8 trading days. So we did test a new high of $28.82 back on June 30th. And I do think that we are at this point right now, at this bottom point, where we will start having an upward movement in the stock. Again, these are my opinion, because I do think that we will start having very nice catalysts moving forward to push the stock up. I think right now is a very good buy point in my opinion. If you can get this stock under $25, I think you're getting a very, very good deal. I think if you can get this under $23, you're getting a steal of a deal. And I have been saying a steal of a deal because under $20, you do not see this stock more than under $20 for a long period of time. If you ever do, this stock pops up very quick and has a lot of investors. I do think that this is a next baseline that we are having to test that $23. I do think that we will project forward in moving on up in this stock from now. I did want to transition just to show you what the analysts of Lucid Motors are saying out there. There are 3 analysts that did review this stock back in September last month. And all 3 of these actually reviewed it. 2 of them did give it a buy rating with a price target. Bank of America did give it $30 price target. Citigroup did give it a $28 stock market price target. Now, Morgan Stanley did give it an underweight rating at $12, but it's very interesting and very odd because Morgan Stanley, right after they announced this $12 price target, they did take up quite a bit of Lucid shares, which I'm not sure if it's coincidence or not, but I'll leave that up to you. But whenever we do look at this, we can see that TipRanks does a very good job of graphing these 3 analysts out there. If you do average these 3 analysts, it does give us a moderate buy with a $23.33 projection in the next 12 months. The one that has really brought us down is that Morgan Stanley $12 one. But if you do not take this into account, this does give you a price projection in the next 12 months of about $30. If you're looking at this stock right now, $23, you have a very good potential to increase your stock moving forward and moving on up. I do think, again, that this stock is a very good long-term buy, in my opinion. I think this vehicle, this company, has a lot of potential out there, and I do think that its branding will be very big in the near future as all this news comes out from Motor Trend, from Car and Driver. Now we have Road and Track. So all these analysts, all these media are coming out there, glowing remarks so far out of all of them. This vehicle will definitely be a big contender out there. But I hope you like this video. Please give me that thumbs up, the like button. Also, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. And if you can, just take advantage of those MooMoo promotions. Remember, if you open that account using my link down below, just open an account. You don't even have to put any money in. You will get some free stock valued anywhere from $3 to $350. But if you do deposit $100, you will get a free share of Lucid stock, which is right now about $23, $25, which is about 25% increase in your money if you just put in $100. But again, thank you so much for watching my videos and for joining the channel, joining the community. Have a great weekend, and I can't wait to talk to you soon. Thank you so much.